All right, guys, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be drawing some rectangular fractions to show our thinking when we're doing our multiplication. And some of these kind of start off as almost like word problems, but kind of not really. But just kind of watch how we draw these because drawing your picture is extremely important, okay? So first of all, letter A has already been done for you. So what it says half of 1/4 pan of brownies. So the first thing you have to do is you have to make your half of a pan, which you can see right here that they've done that with that dotted line. There's your half a pan. And then what they did was each of the halves, they wanted to make 1/4. So here's how they made their 1/4. And so what we're looking at is we're looking right here at that 1/2, 1/4, 1/2 of 1/4. Okay, so when we do this, we look at it, we know that this is going to be 1/8. Or we can go ahead and multiply 1/2 times 1/4. And remember, when we multiply, we just go straight across. 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 4 is 8. So the answer is 1/8. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is I'm going to first draw my picture. Okay, and I want to show half. So here's my half. Okay, so I'm going to write 1/2. And I'm going to multiply it, but I'm going to make 1/3. Okay, so I'm going to make 1/3. And right now, I want to know half. So here's that half, and here's that 1/3. When I multiply it by 1/3, it is going to be 1/6. When I multiply this out, guys, it goes 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 3 is 6. Your answer is 1/6. Okay. So here's going to be a little bit different because it's no longer a half. And so this one says 1/4, so a fourth. So I'm going to make this into fourths. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm going to write 1/4. Okay, so now I need to make these into thirds. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so right now I'm just looking at that one little section right here. And when I look at that, guys, it is actually going to be 1/12. Or when I multiply this out, 1 times 1 is 1, 4 times 3 is 12. So it's 1/12. Okay. All right, so 1/4 of 1/4. Now remember, the word of means to multiply. Okay, so when I draw my picture, I can go, I'm going to make 1/4 first. So here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I need to make a fourth of that. So I need to make that into fourths again. And so I'm only looking at this one little section, okay? And if I were to count this up or do what I need to do or multiply this out, it's 1 times 1 is 1, 4 times 4 is 16. So this answer is 1/16. Okay? 1/2 of 1/6. So I'm going to go ahead and start off, and I'm going to make my half. Okay, so I'm looking at this part, and I want to make it into sixths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So if I were to multiply this out, because remember, of means multiply, I have 1/12 because 2 times 6 is 12, or if I would count this up, this one that I'm looking at is only 1/12.